Why the fuck are you eating, bitch? Hey y'all, it was a lot I had to cut out, and yeah, so I had to cut out mute stuff because it was very inappropriate. Y'all do not need to hear everything that goes on in our lives and stuff like that. So yeah, we cut out a lot. I cut out a lot of stuff, and yeah, I would just like to say thank you for watching. Yeah, and if you see stuff that it don't add up, it just don't. I try to shorten it as much as I could, but it is so funny. I couldn't cut everything out. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe.
You be all up in your feelings too much.
Happy back again with another video. We are doing a mukbang.
Fuck this video. Fuck this video. Fuck this video. Cause you niggas are being mean to me. You mean to them, not me. You're mean to him too. I can do that.
Happy back again with another video.
Who's that bitch? But maybe
Tell her about your real.
You have a hard time cleaning up in here. I'm hot right in that. Quarterback. But I don't know who this bitch. They did.
Oh Lord.
Why would you do that? Why the fuck would you do that? You squeeze my hand. I ain't worried about no bitch. I ain't worried about no hoe.
Hey guys, your bracelet is nice. Your bracelet is nice. Thank you. I got them from my boyfriend and I got them.
Got no nigga. Her daddy bought her that shit. She just be fucking lying.
Hawaii. Hawaii.
Are those my door charms?
Yeah, he got me a lot of charms on there. Yeah. Here's a hole. Here, put it on the bottom. At the bottom. It's falling on the floor. It's falling on the floor. Didn't I just say it's falling on the floor?
Oh.
It might be something like the curb. Oh. It's okay, baby.
This is definitely fruity.
Can't do that anymore.
Bitch, I don't be one to fucking kiss you, the fuck? Go, bitch. Thank you.
Wait.
You farted?
Hmm?
You're nasty.
Sorry. I like your towel.
Thank you.
That's the one you're not with?
Do it your exes.
No. Damn it.
So back to again, this is a video where we talk about our trip and just everything.
No, I don't like it because bleach.
Your trip almost already over, so look like you
It
drank.
really don't matter. You got the food everywhere, nigga. You got a lot to clean up after this video.
Bitch. This shit was sitting there until you clean it up.
That's why I was like drums. That was too complicated.
Jump like easy.
No. No. And we're not
Salad,
about
pepper.
and we're not talking about either because you want a drum.
This is what a lemon pepper ring looks like. Let's give it a taste. What the fuck is wrong with you? It's sour.
I know what's so sour.
It is sweet.
I know what's not sweet.
I'm like, so yummy. It's so yummy.
Is your mom coming? Has to be holy horse.
What?
Oh.
Are you referring to like a TikTok or something?
Bitch, I'm gonna fucking show you. And shut the fuck up smacking.
It's a mukbang, bitch. You can do whatever you want. You should have got
Past the holy whore. Since you want to. It's Jamal.
Oh yeah, I would have never got what you were saying if I ain't hear that.
Niggas, I should have got it because I watched that.
Yeah, me too, but I would have never got it. You know? The camera is right there.
You ain't hear what he said.
Exactly.
I heard him. The camera's on show.
Exactly.
Give me certain name and names too.
Don't
They
give a
don't-
fuck.
Nobody know who.
So Jalen Carr declined on our trip, so we can't really go.
Don't do my girl like that.
Don't do me like that.
David ain't never sent her the money, so he said he can't afford it. So that
Got the receipts. I will be putting them right there.
No, y'all. Let me read y'all the stupid ass email that I got. And let me just tell you a
Let's
story.
get into the Philly.
No, listen. So yesterday was one of those days.
Hold on, pause. She gonna tell y'all about this. Get into this Philly. Ooh.
Ass.
Oh shit!
Smell. Jasmine.
Sorry.
Jasmine.
Sorry. Sorry.
She want me again, too. Okay, so, you know when you come home from doing whatever the fuck you're doing and you accidentally go to sleep? That was me yesterday. I accidentally went to sleep. In my slumber, I get an email from Airbnb saying, Dear Jalen, unfortunately, we have to cancel your reservation due to unexpected inconvenience. The management of our building informed us about the planning of construction works that will be next month and it will take some time.
What the? Oh my god, this weekend through, it just got on my leg.
Girl, you move your.
It got on my leg.
Okay. But yes, so I before I read the email, because you know reading is fundamental. I emailed her and she just emailed me back saying that she didn't know that it was gonna be next month, blah blah. Bitch, you waited.
What the fuck they gotta do with us?
You waited until a month before our trip to cancel our reservation.
That bitch probably really.
It's not even a month, it's less than a month.
Literally. People that requested off work. Hey, you know?
Exactly.
I'm pretty good. Money. We did. It's coming
How much did I give you?
208. I'm sending it back.
You know what I have in there. Sit more than
No, I said 832 was getting refunded. I said, where's the refund the whole 832? But then I looked at my thing and it said 416. I was like, oh, damn. So we can't go check that.
What about me?
You gave me 278, so I'm gonna give you 278 back.
First
Why
of all,
don't I only give you 208?
Because when we paid for half, and the half was 416. So me and you was 208.
So we had to pay like
That was so low. We
80.
was gonna pay. We're gonna give each other 70, and then he was gonna do 278.
I heard that.
We had
70.
a plan, y'all. For once we actually planned something. But you know what's okay.
Woo.
Next trip will be
but
better.
some of the extra plan and some of them paying dick appointments, but you know. No,
What? I didn't get that one. I was.
I ain't even gonna talk about him, because if I start talking about him, that's a whole another discussion.
It's
I don't know. I really don't know.
how they coach you, but never a missed out of her.
You caught something else. That's a smile for me. Ooh, forehead on 20 million.
Oh, yeah. Meanwhile, this nigga been putting his hands on me.
I just realized what song he was singing.
That bitch drop a blue Honda trying to abuse me.
Can I just give a different a little ranch? I haven't seen it.
Bitches be desperate for ranch in real life.
Now I gotta put it on the rest of them. I couldn't afford ranch today.
Daddy put her off.
How much was ranch? 50 cents? Like 54 cents.
I said cut my shit down.
I had to use ketchup mac and
EBT?
I wish I had EBT. I'm on
I wish I had EBT too. In school, I've never worked out EBT more than I worked.
You gotta work 20 hours or less if you want it. Oh, call my grandma.
She was shaking.
That is very striking. Not her. The other one. They drowned them. That's what they do with little pepper now. Extra wet, extra hard, extra crispy, extra large.
That wasn't your way.
I don't have a boyfriend. That's what I'm doing.
Bitch went out here.
I just need some sun because I just like that outside. The sun is so bad.
I love Justin. Justice needs to be served. You know, I love throwing water bottles on my Jordan. I feel like
Why would you put water like in Jordan?
Isn't that damaging there?
Yeah, and they get moldy too. Who that is? Who that is? Oh, they were just turning around.
oh, look at that.
I really want y'all to see how she's standing at this damn window. Don't move, stay right there. Don't move, not 1 inch, because we gotta get this second angle, bitch. Posted up at the window. Why are you posted up at the window? I had to let him know. Because why is you posted up at the window? Why are you posted up at the window? I had to let him know. I had to let him know. Baby, you just sat there and watched him pull in your driveway?
You're going back.
That's what, because I looked at him and I was like, is that what? I'm like, oh, who that is? His gun's right here. Look at me. Yeah, I can't eat no more. I'm sorry. Whew. I'm getting there. It is trying to.
Back to my Jordans.
You got a lot, don't you?
Yeah. But you know the true picture.
I wish I could eat this wet.
You see my, don't y'all like my curtains right there? How nice they are?
It's giving me $50 vibes.
What girls are giving me?
I don't have to. She was thinking like, you don't have blinds.
I remember seeing a TikTok or a message to, what was the name? Is that my old blanket on the window as a curtain? I wonder who sent that.
Why would I know who sent you that? That's never happened.
On your phone though.
Your friends always text my phone. I don't know why.
Oh, you were that coolest. You don't know who was your not motivation.
My motivation
Who was your
right
blind?
now.
Who was your
You
blind?
want
Who
me
was
to
your
call
blind? Trying to put my hand in. Oh man. Did you get it?
Take your finger out your mouth.
That's what you did last night, didn't you?
What? Thou shall not.
Open her legs every time she go to her nigga house, but still do.
No. No. No.
Thou shalt be a whore.
Back it up. But you can't be a whore.
Thou shalt not cheat.
You cannot be a whore and what? You can't be a whore to your boyfriend. What? 8 times the Bible in it? What's the verse? Oh, Matthew. Verse.
Hush puppy. Verse the hush puppy.
Luke chapter 6 verse 3. I was gonna say 16. Too many sixes. And we don't need a lot of sixes in the Bible. Period.
She go out now.
Don't do her like that. Yeah, don't do her like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, let me show you the video, Jalen. Wait, no. The way if it's at the end, no, it's like that. It's video movie.
Sorry, my camera cut off.
I'm tired.
They say I'm looking at you. Love me, do you love me not?
Oh, that is a video. I'm gonna turn the camera back on. I should just look it off. I know exactly what that feels like. The crumb. That's why y'all heard my voice start trembling. I was like, okay. But why did you have to go up? I'm
gonna leave that part in though.
You gotta leave that part in. Ooh, we should also tell a story about like our worst Mickey.
My dad is
Okay, I got one. But tell us, go ahead. Oh, oh my god. You thought about it? No. Whatever. No.
Cool this one. Of the video. Wait.
Anyways. He was in my ear. He said it just like this. Look at my place.
So yeah, they hit me with that one. Doesn't even hurt. At this point, I'm numb. There's no feelings.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
No, answer now. Listen, the face. You can go off my hand. The face she made literally took me out. Now you just made me sad.
I'm sorry.
I could. Oh, let me text Adrian. We made this rule that me and Tina have to text and talk to her and tell her we're safe. Because she said last night, that's what she said. She called me and my brother into her. She said, I know you guys are teenagers, but we need to have some boundaries around here. She said, when you guys are out, you need to text or call and let me know that you're safe. Because when y'all are gone, I can't sleep at night. I'm going out the window seeing if the cameras is messed up. I'm seeing if something is wrong. Because I cannot sleep at night. No one should be knocked out sleep. She said, from now on, you guys need to start texting to let me know that you guys are safe. Because y'all can't be rolling up in here at 3 o'clock in the morning. I got home at like 3:30, 4:40 last night.
Girl, put a little
But oh my god, but see, DJ, I feel like CJ got home like 10 minutes before me. So that made it better. It's less pressure off of me. So she answered. She got what she said.
What was I about to say though?
You didn't do nothing.
I'm about to say my sleepy legs always. I got what's on home at? I got home at 3:30.
It was on that bed sign.
I got home at 3:30. No, remember how I told you you had got mad at me because I didn't tell you on that Sunday?
And she didn't tell me.
No,
It's 'cause
that's not the band. That's not the one with the band.
Oh!
He's talking about
Big band.
big buddy Ben.
Yeah, that was a hell of a country
He had a band. He had a eat flavor.
That was what you know how they call it not hot club for planes? What is it called for car? No hot what? You know how they call it the mile high club with planes? What is it called for car? I don't know.
Bitch, I fucking heard that. You nasty ass bitch. And you gonna act like you didn't fucking fart. The fuck you look at me like that?
It's so ugly.
I'm sorry.
No! Cause this bitch getting mad at me. Oh!
Look like she did.
She's trying to play it off.
I'm sorry. I had to. It's gonna make my stomach hurt.
Let me fart. That ain't so fucking nasty, you fucking fat fuck bitch.
I felt air, like it's gonna float away.
Blow it, bitch!
Anyways.
Bitch! Look at this bleach it. This shit. I can't take. Look, if I move it.
Is it open?
Yes, it's open. Hold on. I miss him.
Oh
Oh my god, they ruined
Don't eat that.
You ruined that.
Oh my god! I was looking at American in the front because they had clothes. Man had a new Ford.
It was a nice one too.
It was a base model nice one.
But it was so nice.
It was nice. And I didn't want to put my wrench in my food, so I did this and dropped
You don't need
it.
to work with kids no more. You don't need to work
Look
with
at this
kids.
shit, bitch.
Did you just drink? Oh. I was gonna be like,
So, the bitch.
David, I'm not cleaning these up. I'm gonna clean up my chicken that's up there and give me french fry. That's it.
Record the chicken at the camera. God, you give me what? Where's the trash?
you look here.
The trash right here.
Right
Like,
here.
what are you not? What are you not using?
This. You asked me and I said yes.
I ain't seen you.
Big house. Freaking my heart.
Big man.
It's the fact. It's ending. It's ending. It's like this.
In my dining room, bitch!
I needed to see.
The bathroom was not even 6 feet away, bitch. You can't even social distance to the fucking bathroom, bitch. And you telling me you could. We're gonna take this upstairs. Keep on coming. Bye, have a wonderful time.
Bye, have a beautiful time.
Guys, you going upstairs?
Yeah.
That's how
I'll return on
Did you
the
turn the
air.
air? It took a long time, remember?
They didn't put you white extra American cheese on there.
Maybe I ate that part.
What you gonna do about that? You gonna go back up there? You gonna say something that
Never mind.
Say it.
I don't go to that road with you.
Say it.
You like to go.
Say it. Say it. Say it with your chest. Say what them one of these titties you got over there on your chest.
I'll leave all that shit you said to me, bitch.
Oh my god. So they were having to go upstairs?
I was gonna talk about your engine cover remixing, but that's why I do that, because you like.
Wait, what? Yeah, I was gonna go in. Cause when I bought my car, I put that $20 down payment on it cash. I put the me. I got someone in the put.
Girl, Carla, put that shit from your motherfucking insurance when your first car got in that fucking red bitch.
But they forgot to put my engine cover on it. Like that's it. I mean, it's like
the little plastic piece that just say Honda.
the little thing that said, "Oop." They forgot to put that on there.
It made all that noise. It made the noise.
Either what? Why is there nothing?
What was the reason? Can you turn the camera off when you're sitting over there?
Did she just stuff in the fucking fry? Get your ass off that motherfucking camera, bitch.
What is wrong with you? Hold on, I want to see something.
Bye, have a wonderful time.
No. You gotta cut that part out. Where? Oh wait, bitch. That is white Caucasian.
I said the table is leaning.
Oh, I didn't say that. You see the people outside? That's what I put you something on.
Oh no, girl.
Turn off the camera.
Hey y'all. All the mother girls bad, but they ain't you.
Come on, Jessica.
Go twerk some. Let me see you throw it back. Let me see you throw it back. Let me see you throw it back. Holy shit, my stomach's gonna bust.
Do y'all want to? Ooh, let's see who knows each other better.
Okay.
I'm out of this game because I haven't known you as long as you guys. So let's go.
Talk it out. Now walk it out. Let's do a Sheen haul. Dana got these from Sheen. These are called the Air Force Forces 1. The what? The Air Forces. The Air Forces 2s. That was my foot, David. These are called the. Why would you do that? The Trom Shazits. Oh. You're blocking Jalen. Scoot over. Nah, it's okay. I just threw up.
Ooh.
I thought that was coming.
Did you get it to where it stopped over her, girl? It's hot.
It's coming right here.
I feel fine.
This is why I told him not to turn off the goddamn
It's
elbow.
kind of clearing it up a little bit. It's fine.
Y'all, so basically, this is the first time I ever did something. I was real grown.
Grade?
Nah. It was.
What the thing do?
I was a hoe, okay? I was a little hoe, but nobody knew. What's in my head? What's in my head? What's.
Nothing, it's just nappy.
I didn't really catch that at first, Jalen, but I want you to know I just want you to know, fuck you, bitch. I ain't got no nappy ass. I got good nigger hair, bitch. Hashtag speaking for the heart. P.S. Please. I would like to say this. I didn't catch what you said at first, Jalen. And you could honestly go to hell, little stupid little bitch. Hashtag speaking for the heart. Beep. Pleasure. No, it's wet. Smell my finger. That was in my fucking head, bitch.
Ew, don't smell it. Don't.
I don't smell anything. Your hair's dry. Oh,
Shut the fuck up. What is that?
sweat.
That's not even, girl, sweat is not that fucking
No,
weird.
sweat is like on this side. This of your hair is not wet.
Oh, I'm about to take it off. Jazz was a nutted at me or something. I don't know. But let me tell you. First time.
Conversation we having?
And the first time I ever got fucked was this year.
Last week.
I'm about to beat this bitch up.
When was it?
It was about 3 months ago.
Was it?
I was in school.
I was in school when it happened. because he
I
called
was
me.
crying.
And I was like, you're lying.
I was crying.
I knew he was lying, bitch.
Like, everybody thought I was lying because I was not. You know how many dudes that want to get the doonies, and I gave it up to his punk ass. Like, he was He's so fine. Oh my god.
Why is my phone on 5 y'all?
He's just an asshole. But you know, I like him like that. He's so mean. Oh, if I would have told y'all, if y'all tell y'all, if I really said some niggas that was gay, like y'all would be like, oh my god. But you know, I ain't gonna say nothing.
I saw this TikTok earlier. It was like, if you have a gay best friend and you go through their messages, you will be shocked at who you see. And I'm just like,
Cause I'ma speak beside him.
Man. And
That's fine. On camera? On national TV.
can they see?
On bitch, you in the frame, digging in your
You made it
coochie.
real dark. Look what you did. Sit back. Ooh, shit.
Y'all, I'm not a hoe. I don't want to keep that in. But you know, he's not the love of my life, and that was the problem.
My eyes really do get darker.
It be niggas. I love a nigga that a mother face that can be loved.
Yeah, you said it wrong.
I love a nigga that a mother. I love a nigga that a mother can only love that.
No. Let's get into this video that they've been made. That bitch, Jasmine took me out that day when that bitch said, you said what? Look at this video that he made. Tell me, back up.
Let me see.
You've seen it already.
The ones who know go know, and you
Okay.
don't know.
Oh, about
Tell me what he said in this video. Hold on. Let me turn it back. Okay. What did he say? Hold on.
This one's for me. Y'all know who was there? Y'all know.
Like, what did you say? I watched that. I couldn't even like it. Y'all look.
what?
Look, y'all.
Bitch! I thought. Woo! Jimmy! Second! Go get you!
Ow! Daily, stop. Don't hit me in my coochie for real. Okay, y'all look. It's luxury.
More like a fucking Buick. That's station wagon ass coochie.
When I laugh, it moves.
No!
Let me see. I'm trying to show you. Oh, show you.
Your feet touch me, but you know I go crazy.
seen that. I seen the video. I seen the video. That was so funny. That was funny. You sure I stop slicking through? Stop! Get out my booty hole. Ain't never nothing ever been in this booty hole. Don't stop today. Oh God! Nah. See, no. Tell him what? As in no, because he know what I'm talking about. He pushed me on my dresser, and the thing on my dresser. Back the fuck up! Ew! Whatever. Like they gonna know who he is. I don't care. Yes, that's correct. Don't talk to me. Can you back up? Oh my God, you making me hot. It's already hot.
Cause I'm hot. I'm a hot ass bitch. Bad bitch. Ass bad. Camera so big, just see from the bed. So bad. Come on, Jalen. We supposed to be talking.
Y'all have not started one conversation.
Girl, you said it.
Alright, Jalen, tell us about your sneaky link. Tell us about your worst sneaky link.
It's the for me.
AJ. You can't say that.
Did you hear what I said? Did you hear what I said?
It gives me no. He said it's giving grown
Oh,
man
man.
vibes. I said,
Back.
bitch, I was ready to go. I was just like,
Take this fucking bracelet off, bitch. You don't deserve it.
The fuck, Nikki? What was our best sneaky link?
Oh!
My best sneaky link was so romantic. First he took me to the movies. Then we went back to my place. And I got
The download boy name is. I'm gonna mute it and then post that. That's how I'm gonna get views. I'm gonna be like the download boy.
I had to block him on
Cut
literally everything. Like, he was blocked. It was so bad that he was blocked on everything before I even got in that car.
Girl, niggas do not care about block. I blocked the nigga because he was on some bullshit. Unblocked him, came back with bullshit, had to reblock him. Like, bitch, he just didn't learn. Like, he's just an old, you know when they say old dog ain't gonna learn? That old motherfucker ain't
That's
gonna
why when you
learn.
block somebody, you leave them blocked.
They did just so
And when they
good.
make another account to text you, you block that one.
Girl, that's when I love them. Like, it's a nigga that y'all know. Oh my god.
Why does your arm have to touch my arm?
Girl, look in his
This is the shit I gotta
face.
deal with every day. Every day.
Like, I ain't gotta deal with you, Jalen.
Name one thing that y'all gotta deal with me about.
Taking an hour to come outside when something.
Girl, you tell that bitch you get off the exit, I'm outside. You pull up, bitch. You gotta wait to get in the gate.
But
you
no,
waited. No. Let us finish. Let the people finish.
Okay.
Text this bitch. Call her when you get off the exit. Her exit take long as fuck to get off. You go the long way on top of that. Yeah, girl, I'm outside. Okay. Get your ass done. Go through all that gate. Go through all the traffic and shit. Bitch, you waiting on there for a good 10 minutes.
Okay, can I talk?
Is it a mango?
Can I speak now?
Somebody said it was odd.
Can I speak now?
No. I'm not done.
I'm gonna let you finish.
Tastes like jelly, sweet like fruit, wet like water. Can I love on you? Girl, is it a mango? Somebody said, it's gonna know how to get your ass outside. Somebody also said, girl, when I say I'm outside, I'm outside. Somebody else said, bitch, the lashes can wait.
I think
Somebody
I'm
else
gonna
said,
do a verse. I'm gonna do a questions. Yeah, I'm gonna
the eyebrows can wait. But no, we out there for 50,000 million hours.
Okay, can I talk now?
What Beyonce said, carry on.
Okay, so I'm gonna start it off with 2 questions. Okay, you got your license of what year?
I don't remember, it was so long ago.
2019. Okay.
I guess.
You started picking me up the day you got your license? Yes? No? When did I start being late of coming outside?
The whole time. Bitch, you don't know.
No, bitch, no.
Jalen, you swear
Let
this
me
bitch-
I'll let you speak. I'll let you speak.
Bitch, you asked me a
I'll
question.
let you speak. I'm not done.
Bitch, you ain't my motherfucker.
Thank you, babe.
The magic stick, bitch. The magic stick.
I hold the stick, bitch. Anyways,
Bitch, I hold
literally
it every night.
every single time, and I can call my mom right now. Every single time David has came to pick me up, I'm ready and sitting in my room for between 30 minutes to an hour.
Her ass still, she can be ready, but her ass still be motherfucking late. She don't be coming down there. Bitch, she be like, I'm ready, and still don't be down there. Point exactly, bitch. I might be late, but girl, you said you was ready, but bitch, you not ready.
Single time, it's always, oh, I have to pick up Teddy. Oh, I have to do this, or oh, I gotta do that. Or he just sitting at home and he just don't feel like getting up yet. So,
No.
that's not done.
I'm talking about,
As of recently, like let's say like the past, ever since I've been at home, and I got home in May, so ever since I've been at home, he's had to wait on me, and that was the worst thing in the world. Like I haven't had to wait for you for the past 2 years. It's 2021.
Can I talk?
Go ahead.
It'll look better down here, right?
That bitch is lying. Like, bitch, both of these mother. I got the stick.
Down here instead of up here.
Do it like a
the stick, bitch.
Get your hot ass up my motherfucking face, bitch. Don't put that shit back in my face, bitch.
Okay.
Fuck is wrong with you?
Okay, he has a magic stick now.
Oh, is that what you were saying?
Yes, he has a stick now.
Okay, go ahead.
Like I was saying. That bitch be like all the motherfucking. Oh my god.
But David, name us how long you.
Thank you. I be late. But if we be late, you know I'm late. Like, you know I'm late. Like, that's just go. Bitch, I was late to school. I gave you warning signs. Bitch, I was gonna be late. But it doesn't make sense why I'm late and then you late. And you yelling at me because I'm late. But bitch, you late. Bitch, you not down to the stuff.
Can I ask me? I have a question.
I have the stick. I'm not done talking. I had questions and I waited.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Because you said I had a stick.
Okay, fine.
Replay that shit, DJ. Jelly, you swear
Let me
this.
let you speak.
You have to talk. You have to say.
So, I wait. Just wait.
Look how smooth that look. Touch it. Give it a rub. Look how it's shiny.
I wait. Jazz wait. We waited in the woods together, bitch. We always wait. Bitch, me and Jazz could have went through the woods shit. Went through the grapevine. Went through that court again. That bitch still wouldn't be ready to this day. Girl, Please stop playing with me. Jayla just swear like she just never been late. I'm not done talking.
You're taking forever. Come on.
You was too. Thank you. Based on my motherfucking stories, the bitches wanna act like they can't motherfucking wait when I was motherfucking waiting. The bitch be late, I be late. But the bitch be having me sitting there. You know my car don't eat. It's unlimited gas. I don't keep that bitch above half a tank. Like, we on crunch time, baby. I'm late, you late, really? I'm not
Okay, your conversation's making
That's what I'm saying.
Like, damn,
Can I get a stick? Can I get a stick?
Get a stick, because girl, you ain't gonna say nothing irrelevant.
Hypocritism at its finest.
Girl, I just said that bitch I was motherfucking lady.
Anyways.
You just said that you was late to school. You late to everything. David is a late person. He's never on time. As of recently, he's been on time. But before, well, I'm gonna say Jazz. Before I got into the group of Jazz, he was late to everything. Ever since Jazz, he's on time for everything. So like, it throws me off. I'm used to being like, David not gonna be here for another 2 hours. So I kind of got time. You know what I mean? Because he was never on time. Like, let's just say, now I'll be like, okay, you can come to my house at 5:30. Had I said that any time before I went to college, 5:30 meant 7:30 in his brain. He'll be pulling up at my gate at 7:45. And I'm not lying. It was one time we went it was me, you, Josiah, and somebody else.
Oh my gosh, she bring up this story every fucking time. Like, girl, let the story fucking rest. We get it. I was late that, like, let me tell y'all, she tell that story every time about this late shit. Girl, we get it. That was the only time I was probably late more than 2 hours. She swear it'd be like 2 or 3 hours. Like, girl, relax. Oh, I can't stand her sometimes.
I remember. But he was supposed to come meet me at 4:30. He didn't show up till 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Because he was doing what? I don't know. But he was naturally a late person. I got accustomed to you being late. So now that you're on time to everything, I have to catch up. But one more thing. You get so angry at me when I was so nice to you. You have to stick now.
Because you say you ready, and bitch, you don't be ready. I know I'm not ready. So I don't tell your ass I'm ready. I just pull up. But you said you ready when I text you when I left my house, I'm on the way. See, like, that's the problem. That bitch is a motherfucking liar. That bitch so damn motherfucking way she was on the motherfucking next to me. David, my mom needs to know I'm leaving this time, or she's gonna say I can't go no more. And she said everything in a bitch way. And like, bitch, I'm surprised people don't spit hot shit piss in our fucking food, cause the way the bitch talk. Her manners.
I have manners.
I got the fucking stick, Jalen. Damn. So yeah.
Dandruff. She called your head dirty, bitch. She said there's bugs flying out that nest, bitch.
I ain't alright with a bitch with dirty braids.
Watched them yesterday.
Nasty braids.
I was trying to figure out who had braids. Watched them yesterday, man.
Why are you not? Don't just to my side and start popping all them fucking pimple, bitch.
They popping itself. It's just scars, man. This how it's coming. Still bad, bitch. I still look fat. Order yank, good came in a pack. I'll be looking at my booty. That's only for my boyfriend.
I try to stab you in your.
I know. I felt that. I felt it,
bitch.
I forgot I should have to
So yeah, bitch is a liar. She Leo. That's all you gotta say. Yeah, James.
I just feel like I should say that. Honestly, out of the whole group, I'm literally like the best one. Like, I'm always on time. I'm always picking people up. I'm always driving.
It's very much the lies for me.
I think. You know, my car's reliable. My car's reliable. So.
Look at this fucking
Don't freak the fucking guy.
Hold on, bitch. Who coming because, bitch, the Mercedes ain't never, the Acura ain't never.
Never what?
Let you fuck.
You gotta finish it. You gotta finish it. Ain't never what?
It ain't never let her stranded. It may. That Honda? That bitch ain't even got blind side. That bitch ain't got no sunroof. She ain't got massage seat. That bitch ain't got her ass fucked in her car. Fuck wrong with her?
She ain't never broke down. She ain't never been on the back of a tow truck before.
Girl, and she ain't never left me stranded. Never.
So I ain't have my bag and we ain't never got kicked out the car before.
That bitch knew damn well my car had got impounded. It was nothing I could fucking do. That car did not leave you stranded, bitch. The motherfucking Atlanta, 14 County motherfucking police let your ass motherfucking stranded when they impounded my car, bitch. No! My car got impounded because my insurance expired. Bitch, it's reliable. It wasn't. Go get your motherfucking off me, bitch.
Why was your hand moving like that?
My car down. She likes to take a cop. Ooh. So your car ain't reliable, yo, especially a black one, because I remember when that bitch got motherfucking lifted and towed to the tow yard, bitch, and your niggas said go to fuck home.
Cause
it ain't reliable. It ain't reliable. It ain't fucking reliable. I got the fucking
let me talk,
bitch. Bitch. So let me say something. When I put that shirt, I got my car the next day, bitch.
Look.
I got my car the next fucking day. What? And guess what? I got it. I got that shit the next day. Start that bitch up and drove that bitch off the lot. Like when I paid cash for it. I ain't gonna argue with no bitch who got a fucking loan on her car, bitch. All my shit paid off. And that's no period, bitch.
let me talk. I just got my 2021 Honda Accord Sport, right?
With no motherfucking engine shit, bitch. Shut the fuck up.
It's not an engine cover. They didn't put an engine cover on it. But anyways, when I got my car towed, I was at a party at your state.
My car got towed, but they ain't never let your ass straight.
He ain't paid for his insurance, so.
Girl, my car ain't fucking reliable, bitch.
I parked in I didn't have a sticker to be in the parking lot that I was in, because you know Georgia State, they be tripping, so that's why I got told. That's why. But
I don't pay for my insurance, bitch.
And I got a new car. When I got my first car, it was a 2018, and I got it in 2018. No miles. I put the miles on it. He got his car, 35 miles on it, broke. What did you do?
Let me clear. I picked the car. I had a choice to get the newer version, and I chose my car, bitch. And guess what? I paid for it cash, bitch. Ain't no bitch with a Honda ain't gonna talk down on my business.
His mom paid for it. His mother paid for it.
Girl, where she didn't pay? My grandmother paid for that shit, bitch, in cash. I had a whole bunch of options, bitch. And guess what?
What job did you get the money from?
I ain't Edward fucking Jones, bitch. Edward Jones, bitch. Yo.
It's getting hot. It is.
Now you wanna act like you ain't doing shit to that camera. Hey, that camera on your ass.
Anyways.
Bitches always gonna talk shit about my car, but always want me to drive.
Yeah, I hate
something
driving.
must be wrong with that Honda.
Jalen don't talk shit. Jalen don't got a car. Jalen no.
But my car never let her stranded. It get impounded because my parents.
Do we need to call Jada?
Jada what?
She was with us when we got stranded.
So what happened?
Oh, you got towed 2 times.
Girl, we both had to run for the police that time, bitch. Shut the fuck up.
Your car got towed at that.
My car get towed. It never got towed with her because it broke down. It got towed because of a situation.
No, we had to ride down on a car was leaning. We had to go in the slow lane. We couldn't go fast.
Girl, but did it leave you stranded?
but then it leave you stranded. And it got fixed the next day.
Then it broke again, so.
When? That was the last time, bitch.
Okay, let's not talk about this, okay? Because we can go take this camera outside and take a look at it right now.
Let it start up. It's gonna get up. She gonna get She gonna get her ass up. She's a little tired. She needs a break. She didn't like the cold weather outside. So she
Cold weather, bitch.
No, cause and I don't know, that bitch is bougie, like she really is. Cause like if it's cold, she drop. If it's like in the garage, that bitch don't drop. Like she like embarrass me. My car is really. My car like to embarrass a bitch, and I just be like, girl, why?
It's about 9 and blue by 5.
Girl, okay, you drinking it. It's definitely 80 something.
What?
She done love some shit about my car, but want me to drop a bitch because it turn them heads though. She gotta put them windows down to turn them fucking heads, bitch. My car ain't never had to do that.
Heads.
Turn heads, people look dumb, bitch. Turn heads. You never heard that meaning before? Turn heads.
Okay, really turn the head. Because it's loud. Because it's loud, that's what it
Before
was.
it was loud, it was motherfucking looking good, bitch. Stop acting like my car this piece of shit, bitch. Cause I gave
Didn't I say I'm done talking about the car, Jay?
Girl, you done fucking brought it up, bitch!
Because you started with me first.
I didn't start because I wasn't talking to you. I'm talking
No,
to
no,
Jalen.
no. I just said I have a really good, reliable car. I was not targeting
That's
you.
shade.
No,
Because
it's
I'm the
not.
only bitch who don't got a car.
Made a shade. Your dad got cars. My mom got cars.
Well, they got plenty of cars.
Mm-hmm. He do.
His Porsche ain't total, bitch.
How much? I mean, what's that engine doing out there?
Run.
What's that?
Run it.
What's that engine
Run it.
doing out there?
Run it.
What's
Don't
that
turn that
light?
bitch up.
What's that light on in the head? Why are them lights on in the
It is.
porch? Why are them lights
Her
on?
daddy Porsche total.
Oh, it's total. He getting a new one though.
Girl, shut up. Like, girl, you just act like you big and bad, bitch.
I know you're not talking. Pull up them Snapchat videos. Anyways,
When she speak on the same shit you speak on, she's trying to be better than you.
Shit. The bitch just said my car is a piece of shit.
no, I said I have a good, reliable car. I said I had a good,
She
reliable car.
act like Jazz love.
Jalen wants to talk. You see how I'm talking? Talk, Jalen. Please show him the tone.
I'm gonna kill you, bitch. I'm gonna fucking kill you. I can't stand your ass. Die, bitch. Die, bitch. I just.
Die. Don't die, bitch. I'm working out now. Ooh. Anyways, what you was trying to say, couldn't. I don't think she thinks she better than you.
She knows she don't, but she think her car better than me.
No, just that mine's
I
more
think she
reliable.
thinks hers is more reliable.
Yes. You have a Benz, I have a Honda. You can't compare.
Yeah, you can't, bitch. They don't.
You can compare when it comes to reliability.
She said,
Yeah, every Honda is more reliable than any Benz, any German car. Everybody knows that. But bitch, the way you be saying it,
she just said it because she know if you hit one pothole, it's over. That's why she said that.
Yeah.
Don't look at me like that. It's the truth.
I know if I hit one bad pothole,
Right.
it's over. You
And
just
we
said-
live in the worst city with potholes, bitch. So you can't help it. You can't help it.
It turns too hard and it starts moving. Or if you turn too quick, it starts squeaking. Or it starts rattling. I'm done.
I'm trying to like that bitch. Let me tell you so.
But David's car is a wow factor. I like riding with David.
Yeah, it's a really cute car.
Period.
It
I
got
like
some
riding with
paint
David.
on it.
Especially. Bitch! No, David, don't hit me with that fucking shoe! Bitch! You gonna break my toenail, bitch! Bitch! Bitch!
Whose phone is this?
You gonna break my toenail! 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 Bitch! 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 Let me get up, ho! Let me get up, ho! Let me get up, ho!
Let me just show y'all. What the fuck? Y'all missed what just happened. I beat that ass.
You beat that ass.
No, that. Oh, it stabbed me.
Are y'all done?
It stabbed me. Ooh. It stabbed me.
Ooh.
Ooh, earrings
I
it
look
is.
amazing.
They stabbed me. I think you broke my rod in my
Can
arm.
you pass me my phone? It's behind you somewhere.
Hold on. I think it broke for real.
Don't worry. I'll beat your ass.